The number of foxes living in urban areas in England has rocketed to almost 5 times what experts had previously believed. The total urban fox population has grown from 33,000 in the 1990s to 150,000 today. According to a new report, fox numbers have soared in the northern towns of England but have remained relatively stable in southern cities. The rise is likely due to foxes moving into new areas over the past 20 years. Their numbers have also multiplied rapidly in low-density towns, particularly in the north of the country. But strangely, reported sightings of urban foxes have actually dropped in England by 43% since the 1990s. They are more or less resident in all cities in the UK now, says Dr. Dawn Scott, a University of Brighton expert who presented her as yet unpublished findings at the British Ecological Society in Liverpool on 11th to 14th December. A previous report from Dr. Scott and her team found that 90% of English and Welsh towns that reported no fox sightings in 2001 were now home to the furry predators. But their new report delves into more detail, calculating fox population densities in towns and cities across the country. Topping the list was Bournemouth with 23 foxes per square kilometre, while London came in at 18 per square kilometre. In the north of England, Newcastle houses 10 foxes per square kilometre. Bristol, a former fox haven with 37 per square kilometre, saw mange disease wipe out most of the population over the past 2 decades and now has only 16 per square kilometre. The densities in the north have actually increased, but the densities in the south have not, Dr. Scott told the meeting. As reported by New Scientist, it doesn't look like London is overrun by foxes. Using the data they collected, the team extrapolated the figures to estimate that around 150,000 urban foxes live in England, almost one for every 300 city residents. The team used radio tagging to delve into how fox social groups and territories form. They also asked residents in 8 English cities to report July and August sightings of the foxes from 2013 to 2015. By combining the findings from these 2 datasets, the researchers were able to accurately calculate fox population densities in towns and cities across the country. Red fox numbers are blossoming in urban areas across the globe. They were first spotted in towns in southern England in the 1930s. Foxes are extremely adaptable mammals that thrive in built-up areas with medium-sized gardens because they provide plenty of food and hiding spots. The spread to more northern towns may be a result of country foxes moving into more urban areas, but due to foxes' impressive ability to cover long distances, urban foxes likely move from town to town. Dr. Philip Stevens of the University of Durham told New Scientist, while foxes can transmit diseases to humans, notably rabies and the fox tapeworm, neither are present in the UK. The shy predators can help to keep rat, mouse, and other pest populations down.